Hi, you're watching No Civil Engineering. Few of my videos were about demolition of an old house that was almost 85 years old. In this video, I'm going to show you before and after demolition images and videos so that we can proceed for the upcoming videos which will be about constructing a building on that piece of land. So, this is how the house looked like from the outside. The house was in a very dilapidated condition. Rainwater was entering through the roof and it had become difficult to live in that house. So the house owners actually decided to demolish the house and build a new building on that place. This house in particular had lots of doors and windows made of wood, and the wood used was teak. Teak wood used to be a very highly used wood back in those days. It is actually a premium wood. Now it has been banned actually in use of furnitures and all that. But despite that, there are some teak wood types that has been allowed to be used and they are being used very widely. So instead of direct employing a JCB to demolish the house, the owners of that house decided to first salvage the teak doors and windows. Actually, salvaging those doors and windows would offset some demolition costs. So that's why they wanted to actually sell those windows and doors after salvaging them. The building also had some metal doors and grills for veranda, just like teak doors and windows. So the owners decided to salvage these metal doors and grills also to offset the cost of demolition, like I have said previously. As you can see in this video, the floorings were also salvaged. This was contractor's idea. At least half of the stones broke when they were being extracted. It took a lot of time. Almost a week was lost due to trying to extract those stones. This last photo shows you the rubble left after an entire demolition. The debris has very little concrete. In those days, concrete was not widely used, and this house was made of lime and mud, and that was the building material they used as a binding agent. So, this was the video where I showed you before and after images and videos of the house that was under demolition. In next video, I'll bring updates related to cellar digging, and then after that I will show you digging of footings and various other things.